Welcome to the world of early English literature. In just 3 minutes, we'll explore the Anglo-Saxon period, the age of warriors, epic battles, oral traditions, and the earliest form of English, Old English. The Anglo-Saxons were Germanic tribes, mainly Angles, Saxons, and Jutes, who arrived in Britain around 450 AD. They established small kingdoms such as Wessex, Mercia, and Northumbria, laying the foundation of early English culture, language, and literature. Anglo-Saxon literature was mostly oral, passed down by storytellers called scopes. It used A. alliteration instead of rhyme, B. strong rhythm, C. kennings, poetic compounds like whale-road for the sea, and D. heroic tone and dramatic storytelling. Themes included A. bravery and heroism, B. loyalty between lord and warrior, C. fate, or word, D. struggle between good and evil, and E. religion, a mix of pagan beliefs and growing Christianity. Famous works include A. Beowulf, the epic tale of a hero fighting monsters, B. the seafarer, the wanderer, the dream of the rood, reflective spiritual poems, C. Anglo-Saxon Chronicle, historical records compiled under King Alfred. The language of the period, Old English, looks very different from modern English. Example, Wet we gardena in yardegum. Beowulf opening line. The Anglo-Saxon period is crucial because it A. started the literary tradition of England, B. introduced heroic and moral themes, C. created the first written English literature, and D. influenced later medieval and Renaissance writing. While most Anglo-Saxon works are anonymous, some writers are historically significant. 1. Caedmon, 657 to 680 AD, the first named English poet, known for Caedmon's Hymn, a religious poem praising God. 2. Bede, 673 to 735 AD, wrote Ecclesiastical History of the English People, blended history with literature. 3. King Alfred the Great, 849 to 899 AD, translated Latin works into Old English, promoting literacy and learning. 4. Cynewulf, 8th to 9th century, known for religious poems like The Dream of the Rood, mixing Christian themes with heroic style. These figures shaped early English literature, combining heroic, religious, and historical writing. That's the Anglo-Saxon period, 450 to 1066 AD, with its heroes, poems, and influential writers. If you enjoyed this quick guide, like, share, and subscribe for more English literature lessons.